Stop scrolling, because the Northeast is not done with this storm yet. What just happened across the Northeast was not a routine winter storm. It was a high-impact blizzard, and now we're moving into the most dangerous phase, the aftermath, while the atmosphere is already setting up the next system. Over the last 48 hours, a powerful winter storm slammed the Northeast with whiteout conditions, crippling snowfall, and hurricane-force wind gusts in coastal areas. Across multiple states, travel was paralyzed, hundreds of flights were canceled, and thousands were left without power as heavy snow combined with wind to bring down trees and power lines. Emergency officials have confirmed multiple storm-related deaths, primarily due to vehicle crashes in near-zero visibility. Exposure during prolonged power outages. Medical emergencies where first responders could not reach patients in time. Hospitals across parts of New York, Massachusetts, and Pennsylvania also reported injuries related to falls, snow removal accidents, and traffic incidents as conditions rapidly deteriorated. In some locations, snow fell at rates over 2 inches per hour, overwhelming plows and making roads impassable within minutes. But here's the part most people aren't paying attention to. This storm has not fully released its grip on the region, and another system is already taking shape. As cold air remains locked in place across the Northeast, forecasters are now tracking a new disturbance that could move in within days. Unlike the first storm, this next setup introduces temperature contrasts that raise different concerns. Depending on the exact track and timing, the next system could bring additional heavy snow in northern areas, a dangerous mix of sleet and freezing rain farther south, heavy rain on top of existing snowpack increasing flood risk, and in warmer sectors farther south and west, strong thunderstorms, with isolated tornado potential not out of the question. This is where winter storms become compound disasters. Snow on the ground makes cleanup harder, saturated soil weakens trees, ice loads power lines, and when another storm arrives before recovery is complete, impacts multiply fast. Emergency managers are urging residents to avoid unnecessary travel, clear snow safely, heart attacks spike after major storms, prepare for additional outages, and closely monitor forecasts, because timing and track changes matter. If you're in the Northeast, this is not the time to assume the worst is over. The atmosphere is still active, the pattern is still unstable, and winter is far from finished. We are continuing to track both the recovery and the next developing threat closely. Follow for updates, share this so others stay informed, and for live alerts, maps, and real-time storm tracking, visit stormscapes.xyz. Stay alert, stay prepared.